It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite. Can I have dessert on keto? Oh yeah. We actually have lots of recipes for you at our website, rockthatketo.com. Pretty much any dessert you want, there's a keto version. When you start on keto, there's a huge thing you need to do. Cut out sugar. Really, to cut out most carbs, not only just sugar. But if you have sugars in your diet, your body will always choose to burn that sugar for energy. It will never burn your fat. So all the fat you have on your body will be staying right where it is. We're trying to get rid of that fat. The first thing we have to do is make fat be the first choice of energy for the body. To do this, you have to make your body use fat. It won't volunteer. You've got to remove sugar itself, and then you got to remove the carbs that turn right into sugar in your blood. And those carbs are kind of obvious, like potato chips and popcorn and stuff like that. However, there is a big bugaboo waiting, and that's what we call your sweet tooth. Sweet tooth is not just something in your head, and it's not something that's because you're weak as a person. People blame themselves for the sweet tooth, but that's not really how it works. A lot of us have sugar cravings or carb cravings to the point it's like drug addiction. And if you have certain genetics, and I'm like this myself, it's identical to drug addiction. And here's what you need to know. It's not your fault. Humans have a tendency to blame ourselves, be hard on ourselves, which really works against us in the long run. But this part is literally out of your hands. If you have the genetics, your body will scream at you for a sugar fix or a carb fix. To help us get through the day, many of us chase that sensation of sweet. It gives our brain a rush of well-being for a very short time, kind of like drugs. Then we feel bad after a while, and the craving starts all over again. Keto does allow for certain sweeteners, but only the ones that don't create a reaction in the pancreas and don't change the blood chemistry like sugar and carbs do. So here are the sweeteners that are okay. Stevia, and I recommend liquid stevia for this. Pure liquid sucralose. Now we want to use the liquid version because powder can actually be a problem. Erythritol, which you will find under the brand name Swerve. Xylitol, monk fruit, tagatose, and allulose. These sweeteners won't create blood sugar problems, but they also don't give you the drug-like rush of sugar. You have to get used to them. Everything in the keto lifestyle, you have to get used to it. It gets easier and better with time and repetition. Your taste buds in your brain will actually adjust, and after you've been off sugar for a while, it won't even really taste good to you anymore. These alternative sweeteners will start tasting right to your tongue. Get your body into the habit of these healthy sweeteners, and you'll forget all about that nasty old drug habit you used to have called sugar. And that's today's keto tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.